Alright, so if you're into cinematic sounds, ambient textures, huge synth layers, or just weird evolving sound design stuff, this free plugin might actually be worth grabbing. This is deFORM by Ebb and Flow Audio, and it's for a limited time. They're giving it away for free, so grab it while you can. There'll be links down below. And let me know in the comments below what free synths you're using, or paid for ones as well. What's your favorite ones? There's all kind of hidden gems out there. I made another video a couple days ago for a free analog synth that you might want to check out as well. It sounds really good. So deFORM is basically a cinematic synth instrument packed with multiple synth engines, layered textures, noise sources, drones, wavefolding, granular-style sounds, a whole bunch of stuff designed for modern film score type atmosphere and massive ambient production. You got 8 different synth voice types in here: fold, Aether, drone, pulse, hyperwave, afterglows, haze, and pro noise. And each one can stack multiple layers at once. You can go from subtle ambient pads to absolutely gigantic cinematic walls of sound very fast. And you also got filters, detuning, saturation, delay, reverb. Now this is aimed at cinematic music, ambient stuff, soundtrack production, games, audio, and such. But you could use this for lo-fi, trap intros, dark electronic music, experimental stuff, whatever you want to try it on. Now this does take up about 6 gigabytes, so it's definitely a very heavyweight in size, if you will. And it runs both on Mac and Windows, VST, and audio unit formats. All right, so let's check it out here. We'll just do some presets real quick and then go through some of the effects and things. And we could browse presets this way as well. Okay, so on the front panel, we have an EQ down here. And if we set this middle one, we could just move it like this. And then we have the different synth voices over here. We have layers over here, overdrive, motion and tone, fold back, we got like a reverb over here, reflect. And then we have this over here, this morphing stuff. So pretty wild. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Just a quick video today on this free for a limited time deFORM synth. That is all for now. Talk to you soon.